Hello everyone. So guys, once again I'm going to work in another short movie, and I'd like to tell you that this is not for my channel. This is for someone else's channel. I'll let you know whose channel is this. First of all, let me tell you guys that again I'm going to play the character of a father, and right now I am not going to play any double or triple role. It would be just a single role, and there are various actors in this short movie. So I'm quite happy that I've got this opportunity to work with various actors, and especially a trained actor. Okay, I would let you know about him too. So first of all, I'm going to show you the person who is going to shoot this video. He will edit the video and he will be directing, and he has written the script as well. So here we go. So we have the guy. His name is Farman.
Yes.
Hi Farman, how are you?
Sir, I am very good, sir.
So Farman, you have written the script.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you are going to do camera also.
Yes, sir. I do, sir, camera, edit, and direction also.
Okay, and it will be uploaded on your channel. Yeah?
Yes, sir. It will be uploaded by 20th
20th July.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine. So how many short movies have you made so far?
Sir, 70-80 plus.
70-80
plus.
plus. My
Yes.
God, means it is going to be approx 100 very soon.
Yes.
He has made so many short movies and is very good at editing too. Okay, fine. And this short movie is going to be in Hindi, only Hindi language, guys.
Yes.
On my channel, you always find in English, but here we are going to speak in Hindi also. So when this movie gets released, after that, I'll give you the link of that channel. You can go there and watch that movie. And if you want, you can subscribe that channel as well, guys. Okay. So which camera you are going to use, buddy?
Sir, use R, sir.
Okay.
Sir, Canon, use R.
This is the
The
camera.
model name is sir, Canon,
Okay.
use R.
Okay, EOS R.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the price of this camera?
Sir, only sir body prices of 149. So 149,000. So
1,49,000. And which lens are you using right now?
Sir, 50 minutes.
50 mm lens is being used.
Hello.
Okay, that's fine. And on which software do you edit your video?
Sir, Adobe Premiere Pro.
Adobe Premiere Pro. That's great. Fine, guys. So he is the whatever he has told you, everything he is, okay. Except acting, he is doing everything. Now, if I talk about the actors, so first of all, I would like to introduce you to this giant, tallest guy. So you can see, guys, look at my height and look at this guy's height. Oh, he's the trained actor. What's your name, buddy?
विशाल आर्या.
So he's Vishal Arya. He's the trained actor, and I have got this opportunity to work with him. I'm very happy, Vishal.
और मुझे भी बड़ी खुशी है सर के साथ काम करने का. काफी समय से मैं सोच रहा था, आज मौका मिला है.
So आज हम काम करेंगे एक साथ, and I am playing the character of father, और आप भी father का ही character है. Okay, and he is going to play the character of my son. Okay.
Hi guys, my name is Ashu.
So he's Ashu. He will be my son, and this guy.
This my it's my son.
That's really amazing. So this is the entire unit, guys. So let's get started. Dialogues have already been given. I have marked up some dialogues. I have seen what the emotion would be. So we will start the shooting, and after that I'll let you know, guys. So stay connected. Do not go anywhere. Thank you, guys. So guys, since you know that the character is of a father, and of course, as you have seen, my son age would be around maybe 18 to 19 years old. So I must look like approx 50 years old or maybe 48 years old. The thing is that I don't have anyone to do the makeup of mine, so right now I have to try. So as you can see, I have taken this makeup box and this brush is here with me. So I'm going to try my level best to give that white look. I don't know how to do that. However, I'm trying my level best. After that, I'll let you know, guys. Earlier, you know better, my wife used to do the makeup of mine, but now I have to learn. Because if I go on various locations, then I will have to do until we hire a makeup man, you know. So maybe if budget is good, we can hire makeup man as well. Yeah, Farman?
Yes, sir.
One day or other. Yeah. One day or other, makeup man can also be hired. And I have seen, मतलब जब मैं पहले काम करता था, मेकअप मैन का पहले 1,000 रुपए रोज का ऐसा होता था. तो आज
अब 2,500 हो गया सर.
हाँ, अब थोड़ा महंगा हो गया होगा. तो भी अच्छा है.
क्या है?
Okay, turn on the fan. It's too much.
वो गिर जाएगी. ज़्यादा अंदर मत जा.
विश्व हटा दे, जीत कर दे.
हाँ, जीत और जीत के बेटे को दे. हाँ, सर.
हाँ,
जीत के बेटे को, जीत को दे. जीत कर.
जीत के बेटे को, सर.
ऐसा?
हाँ, सर. सर ऐसा होता है ना, सर.
अच्छा, जीत.
सर सर शर्मा जी के लड़के को देख लो, मतलब जैसा होता है ना, सर.
इसके बाद मेरा डायलॉग नहीं है.
हाँ, सर इसमें ऐसा बात नहीं, सर. अगर आप कुछ हो तो बता सकते हो, सर.
विशु जी को शर्मा जी कर दो।
हाँ शर्मा जी
अच्छा लगा।
हाँ सर शर्मा जी करो।
So guys, my shot is ready. This is the first shot. So you can see how we are shooting here.
आशु रेडी है? सर आप भी सर रेडी? 1 2 3 एंड एक्शन। पापा
हाँ?
रैप नहीं कर रहा ऐसे
ऐसे करते हैं
कैसे भैया कैसे
तो ऐसे देखो अपने तरफ से देखो ना, कोई गलती बोल देगा ना, कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं है। तो पापा बोलेंगे हाँ बोल, तो बोले पापा प्लीज मुझे रैप करने दो ना, क्या पता मेरे रैप में करियर बन जाए। बस इतना, ठीक है?
ओके
1 2 3 एंड एक्शन।
पापा
हम्म?
मुझे ना रैप करने दो प्लीज, कहीं मेरा उसमें कैरियर ही बन जाए।
रैप रैप रैप, ये बात तेरी समझ में आती क्यों नहीं है? जब देखो रैप 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 का भूत सवार हो गया तेरे ऊपर। बेटे, शर्मा जी के बेटे को देख, कितना टैलेंटेड है वो। पता है उसके पापा का ना सीना गर्व से चौड़ा हो जाता है उसके टैलेंट को देख करके। और तू जब देखो रैप रैप रैप, तेरे भेजे में बात आती क्यों नहीं है? रैप में करियर नहीं है।
आपको दूसरे बच्चों का टैलेंट क्यों दिखता है, अपने बच्चों का टैलेंट क्यों नहीं दिखता आपको?
वेरी गुड।
So guys, the first shot has been done. You can ask the director whether the shot was okay or not. He wants any other shot in that.
सर एक्सीलेंट सर, आपने पहले शॉट में क्लियर कर दिया सर।
और मैं भी बोलना चाहता हूँ सर कि ना इस आदमी ने पहली बार में किसी एक्टर को बोल दिया है कि डन। हाँ, वरना ये भी नहीं बोलता। 4-6 टेक तो लग ही जाते हैं।
चलिए, थैंक यू। आई विल ट्राई माय लेवल बेस्ट कि आगे और भी अच्छा हो। कोई नहीं, और भी शॉट्स ले सकते हैं।
बहुत अच्छा किया सर आपने।
So guys, indoor shoot is over now. Now we have to go for outdoor shoot. So the shooting is going to take place in a nearby park. So we are going to the park, and there the shooting will be started, guys. And after that, I'll go back to my home. I had a little role, but this role is effective role. Very soon, when movie gets released, you will come to know what my acting was, and whether you like or not, I will get the comment definitely, guys. So stay connected. Thank you, guys. So guys, now my shot is with this tallest guy, okay, the giant Big Show. Okay, so and it will be my first shot ever. Okay, and after that, I hope we will keep working in coming future. Yeah, we will enjoy a lot. जो होगा अच्छा ही होगा. Okay, शुरू करते हैं. So guys, so now we are heading towards that park where we have to shoot the video, guys. And this director is really working very hard. And until he gets the best result, he will never let you go away from here. Okay? And we really need this kind of person who has to get satisfaction first from the artist. And he can take that the best shot out of us, you know. So that knack, that quality must be in any director. So we are very happy that he is with us, he is doing that. And after that, I think he does some miracle in editing also, and it will turn out to be a very good movie, I believe. Yeah? Love. So guys, as you can see here, we are here in the park and we are going to start our shooting over here. As you can see, the camera person, the director, and I would say the producer also. Okay, so yeah, so he's over here, he's setting the camera, the frame is going to be set, and the location where we both have to sit is this particular bench. Here I have to sit along with this giant okay, giant man, giant giraffe. Yeah, and here the dialogues are going to be done between this guy and me.
एक्शन।
और भाई साहब कैसे हैं आप? काफ़ी परेशान लग रहे हैं आप।
क्या बताऊँ, नेचर है दुखी कर। अब आप ही बताइए, मतलब पढ़ाई लिखाई में उसे अभी ध्यान देना चाहिए, अब वो रैप के चक्रों में पड़ रहा है। क्या है ये रैप का करियर? मतलब मैं समझा कर थक गया हूँ, लेकिन वो समझने को तैयार ही नहीं। जब देखो रैप 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 का बहुत सवाल है।
भाई साहब मुझे ऐसा लगता है क्या यार तो
ये है भाई साहब, आप समझने के लिए तैयार नहीं
आप समझने के लिए तैयार नहीं है या नहीं हाँ, गलत है। वो समझने के लिए तैयार नहीं है या फिर आप समझने के लिए तैयार नहीं है?
So guys, as you can see here that shooting is over. My shot is over. Now still these people have to complete their shots, and it was really very nice experience of mine, and I'm very happy that I got an opportunity to work with these all the people. Thank you very much, Sunny.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
और बहुत अच्छा लगा, इट वॉज रियली वेरी नाइस। बहुत अच्छा हम लोगों ने काम किया है एंड आगे भी हम काम करते रहेंगे। वी विल कीप ऑन वर्किंग इन कमिंग फ्यूचर एज वेल। सो इट वॉज अमेजिंग, नाइस एक्सपीरियंस। फर्स्ट टाइम सबके साथ मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, इट वॉज ऑसम गाइस। सो पैकअप हो चुका है,
नई नई वीडियो मिलती रहेगी भाई आप लोगों को।
और जब मूवी रिलीज होगी तो डेफिनेटली आई विल गिव द लिंक ऑफ द चैनल ऑफ दिस गाय। ओके, सो डू सब्सक्राइब हिज चैनल, डू सब्सक्राइब हिज चैनल। ओके, और हो सकता है कि अगर इसे इन्हें थोड़ा इज्जत देनी पड़ती है डायरेक्टर को,
सही बात है, सही बात।
if he likes my work, he will call me for other short movies as well. So you can see me on that channel again and again, guys. Okay?
तो गाइस जितना ज़्यादा हो सके उतना सपोर्ट करिए।
और दोस्तों वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो जरूर वीडियो को लाइक करना,
कमेंट करके जरूर बताना कि आपको कौन सा पार्ट।
और ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी आपको तो हम जरूर ऐसी वीडियोस और बनाएंगे, है ना सर?
Thank you guys. Thank you very much.